Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Sai Recipes. Today, we're making a delicious, festive Christmas cake that will bring all the holiday cheer to your table. It's super easy, and it's the perfect treat for family and friends. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. 1/2 cups mixed dried fruit, raisins, currants, sultanas. 1/2 cup chopped dates. 1/2 cup orange juice. 1/2 cup dark rum or apple juice for a non-alcoholic version. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 3/4 cup brown sugar. 4 large eggs, 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 tsp baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Extract 1/4 cup chopped nuts. A pinch of salt. First, we're going to soak our dried fruits and dates in the orange juice and rum or apple juice for at least 1 hour, or even overnight if you've got time. This helps to soften them and makes the cake extra moist. Now, in a separate bowl, cream together your butter and brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. This will give the cake a nice soft texture. Next, add your eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. In another bowl, mix your dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, spices, and salt. Gradually add this to the butter mixture, stirring until everything is combined. Now, fold in those soaked fruits and nuts. Look at how beautiful and colorful this is. You can see all the holiday magic happening. Pour your batter into a greased and lined cake pan. I'm using a 9-inch round pan, but you can use whatever you have. Pop it into a preheated oven at 325 degrees, 160 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. If the top starts browning too quickly, just cover it with some foil. And voila! Look at this beautiful Christmas cake. Let it cool, and then you can add your favorite frosting or decorations, or just enjoy it as is. So moist, so flavorful. This is perfect for Christmas, and it makes a great gift too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Happy holidays and happy baking!